Hey guys, so it's currently September 6th, 2:47 p.m. and I'm on my way to go have dinner with my parents because it's my mom's birthday and I'm gonna vlog for a week, guys. My school is just online, so spend a week with me. Hey guys, pula na yung mata from the Kusha Blue. Ooh. At anong favorite mong Tagalog rap song?
Darling Ay.
Hindi, Tagalog rap song. Go! Kantayin mo.
Ayan.
Hindi naman yun eh. Yung
Rap song
kinakanta
yun
mo
na.
kanina.
Okay.
Yung as of now, anong favorite mong Ay, anong favorite mo? Anong favorite mong rap
Ay,
song
sayang,
as
hindi ko
of
alam
now?
kung ano yung interlude. May sinasabi siya sa umpisa, di ba?
Hindi ko alam. Basta,
I'm a
go.
flirt.
Ah.
Pag napadaan mga chicks dito sa food.
I'm a flirt.
Eh! Galing sa kasunod.
Idol niya po si Nate Man. That's her food, not mine. That's her food because she's
Ayaw.
Bruh.
It's raining, guys,
I haven't even tried Auro.
and I'm gonna get sick again. We're here, guys, at Fat Seed. Damn! We're at Zara, guys, and before Tyler's concert. Zara secured.
May Zara, walang payong.
Hey guys,
Kita nyo na naman mukha ako.
ano?
Kita nyo naman nila mukha ako. Pakilala ko sa yung iPad ko. Ito, lagi ko siyang dala, tolls. Phone sa iPad. Kasi yung phone ko mabilis na malobat. So, may dala akong iPad.
Pakita mo yung mini mirror selfie mo kanina. Uy!
Ay,
Nagmi-mirror selfie siya kanina gamit iPad. Sobrang iPad kid niya na.
yung iPad ko.
Seryoso pa siyang mirror selfie sa iPad. Ang laki. Saan tayo pupunta?
Zara.
Punta kami sa Zara, guys. Kasi may titignan daw siya.
Baka nyo makita kasi ako unang susot nun.
Ganda ba, guys? Nails. With my drip out chrome rings. Bili na kayo sa akin, guys. Bili kayo sa akin, guys. Meron akong bagong rings.
Ba't nakatawad mo?
Kiss mo ako.
Kiss mo ako.
Kiss mo. Ano sasabi mo, may kasama ka nakaganto?
Pwede naman mo ba?
Nahihiya siya.
Naiilang ako. Daming camera.
Nahihiya.
Daming camera.
Kala ko ba sanay ka sa camera?
Wala lang. Hindi na, nagbago na ako.
Ay, ano na siya? Low-key?
Ako daw, person na ako. Di na ako nagpo-post. Ito, camera malaki ako.
Wag! Wag!
Camera nga malaki ito.
Ay, guys, ito ang nakakahiya. Oh. Ala. Uy.
Gago, baka mahulog ako.
Guys, may nagpapapicture sa kanya. 1, 2, 3.
Idea, ingat ko. Arjan ko iya. TikTok sa IG. Arjan.
Basta dyan.
Ay, nagingay.
Na-excite, natuwa. Ay, natuwa sila, guys. Angas sana. Kaso, may dalang iPad kid.
Sabay mo ha. Naman sabi mo.
Sarap. guys. Baby, tumutulas ako.
Dahil dumos. Ang inang mulan.
Uy, hindi mo. Sinacrifice niya yung iPod.
Dali lang bumili na ito. Bumili ito.
Oo, tinanggal mo naman. Ano kaya yun? Hey guys, so today mag-shoot kami for our new business. And I'm wearing my grills. Angas. Ay, ang angas.
Milano.
Oh my
Italiano.
God.
Bumili ka na ngayon pala.
Bili kayo sa amin, guys.
Ngayon pala, bumili ka na. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Hey, may fun pa.
Diretso lang. Ano mo, dindagan ka? Saan ka mag-ibiyes? Saan ka mag-ubad? Pero, pwedeng full ka. Model ka, ganito ka kung saan ka magdadamit. Pero okay lang.
Dito lang siya nag-biso.
Sim.
Sa
Labas
Gedli.
boxer yun. Ubad-ubad. Samang brief.
Hey guys! Tapos na kami. Tapos na kami. And uwi na kami.
Simbabay.
Napagod ka.
Hindi naman, sako lang. Kotse. Kotse.
Guys, may sumabog. May sumabog, guys.
Tara na.
Manis yung ahogi.
Nahulog na yung pantalon ko.
May nag-video sa amin. Habang pinapasan niya ako.
Planes with Danny.
Guys.
Pero di niya tinanggal agad. Kasi supportado siya, men.
Na ano? Ano sabi nga? Si Lane Stana.
Hindi. Thanks.
With Danny.
Hey.
So hey guys, it's now Tuesday and I'm going to Pilates later at 4 p.m. but it's still currently 3 p.m. and I'm on my online class. And I'm just gonna walk down to the studio because it's like a 5-minute walk only. And yeah, I'm wearing Nike tank top, Cotton On sports bra, and Forever 21 shorts that I bought like before pandemic pa. It's gonna be my first time to try the Cadillac, guys, kasi laging Reformer ang ginagamit ko because my sister requested sa ko. Hey guys, today is September 17, Wednesday, and I'm on my online class. And magsiship ako today ng mga parcel. After nitong class ko, magsiship ako ng parcel. Punta ko SM Aura. Tapos mag-gym ako. Tapos magpa-flat lay ako ng mga damit na ibebenta namin. On the way to JNT, guys. With my iPad. And
natin shoutout sa inyo, men. Tayo na. Tapos, ano, Bershka. Shoutout kay Bershka. Yes. Ultra baggy pants. Miss BB belt. Tapos, Timberland.
Okay, ako naman. Dos mil. Pakita mo. Bershka.
Bershka.
Shocks. Ano to?
Nike.
Nike Shocks
R4.
R4. Tapos dos mil.
Hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Lupit. Ay.
Malamig like up down. Iyang sana.
Let's go.
Kamukha ba kami, guys?
Hindi ko alam. Change outfit. Shoutout everything sucks. Ay, ito pala. So, everything sucks. Shoutout sa'yo, pare.
Kailan? Kailan pinadala?
Kanina lang. Yo.
Kanina lang talaga. Kanina lang din nag-DM. Tapos,
Ito na namin. Kasi nandito na ako eh. Ano ba ako? Hindi siya yung ano. Yung mga gusto kong zoom. Yung parang VHS. Ito yung, di ba? Everything sucks. Siya guys. Okay siya, di ba? Yaki ka sa vlog ko ya. Alas tama nila guys. Ayaw may. Nakatingin lang siya shota ako. Ano mag-ay? May.
trip.
Kasi kung malakas trip na lang, mas malakas trip ko syempre. Ah, init.
Wow.
Ang init ng suot ko kasi.
Ano naman ako?
Hindi siya pinagpapawisan guys. Ah, wait lang. Wrong na
Galing
lang.
ko, galing ko.
Eh, galing niya daw.
So guys, I forgot to vlog the whole Friday, but I just went to Solana Market in Forbes-town, then went to SM Aura to have Starbucks again and their fusilli pasta, and then I went to Bershka to check out some pants, but I didn't find anything that fit me well. Hey guys, so it's Tyler Day. Ready. I'm wearing my makeup now and I have my outfit on and I'm about to go to SM Aura to buy my last minute shoes. I'm gonna buy boots guys, and then I'm gonna buy something to eat so I don't pass out. He's going to sing I Fucking Hate You. That's my favorite song. Yeah, so see you guys, Bershka. See you, Tyler. I'm here, guys, and look. Walang size, guys, so I'm going to go to Charles and Keith and look for boots. It was so hot outside, guys. But I'm eating now.
Bruh.
Haul, guys. This is the Mass VIP bag haul, guys. Okay. This is merch. Hindi to kasali, guys. It's merch. So, let's put that aside. This one, akin to. Hindi yan kasama. Ito, guys. Hindi din to kasama yung water. Ito na talaga yung kasama, guys. Merong socks. Chromacopia socks. Patch. Chromacopia pin. Tyler pin. And another Tyler patch. And also an ID and a lace. Oh, hindi, I showed that na. And a lace and ID. And she's eating hot dog. After she just ate a slice of pizza, she's now eating a hot dog. Cause she's a big back.
Nandito si Jello.
Cause she's a big back, big back. This bitch is a big back. Look at her.
Inside of me, cause honestly, Tyler is not perfect. So how can I get everything for one person? I'm at the altar, I'm still shit. Most importantly, I hope you find your way home.
Niggas can't go past without you brushing my thoughts. That's 1440 a day. So I'll say 144 times. I think about you. It's not like that. Lost touch.
The fucking thought you was somebody else out.
Aggressive and no goddamn breathing and